This is a certified pre-owned 2011 Acura MDX, a car-like ride in space like an SUV. It has a 3.7-liter six-cylinder engine and an automatic transmission. Its top features include a navigation system, a rear-view camera, a sunroof, heated seats, a low tire pressure indicator, commercial-free satellite radio, traction control and stability control systems, aluminum wheels, and high-intensity discharge headlights. The following features are also included: memory settings for the driver's seat's positions, so you can recall your favorite position with the push of one button, air conditioning with automatic climate control, cruise control, a premium sound system, leather seats, an illuminated driver's side vanity mirror, a passenger side airbag, rear seat child-proof door locks, an auto-dimming rear-view mirror, and this vehicle has fewer than 35,000 miles on the odometer. Please call us today for more information on this great vehicle.